how we look at problems in DBT and at the Teen Support Center, problems are really solutions. And so when your teen, especially a highly sensitive teen, is experiencing emotions, it often feels like they're on fire with their emotions. They're big, they're overwhelming, they're all consuming, and your teen would do anything to make them go away. That's how terrible they are. Imagine if you were engulfed in flames. That's what emotions feel like for your highly sensitive teen. And so when you conceptualize it that way, it makes more sense then if your teen is having these big, overwhelming emotions that self harm or thinking of suicide helps them avoid or escape those big, overwhelming emotions. It makes them stop, it makes it go away. And so, in that sense, you can understand then the solution to that big, overwhelming problem. Of course, it's not a safe solution, and it's one that we're going to work to change. And punishing the solution is not necessarily solving the problem.